Hidden Hour Bar by All-Around Design Company in South Korea. Gwangjang Market has a horizontal and linear structure due to modernization. The space above the arcade installed for convenience is desolate. Hidden hour means to vertically expand the horizontally structured market. Hidden hour has a space in the form of a skip floor, and each space has a theme. The fragmented mirror is a medium to break the daily life, and the dreamy hidden room is a space to escape from the daily life and hide in a deep place for a while. The rooftop, where you can see the skyline of Seoul, creates an atmosphere where you can completely escape from everyday life. Architects, All-Around Design Company. Area: 284 square meters. Year: 2021. Photographs: Myungjin Jun. Manufacturers: Ilshinstone, JEVISCO. Lead architect: Sunggyu Kim. Construction: Kijoong Kim. Client: 321 Platform. Country: South Korea.